CAD management is more than just looking after the CAD software. The CAD system is a major component of design and manufacturing companies, but can often be overlooked in terms of a specific management process. The software needs to be correctly installed and running to its optimum on all kinds of systems. It also needs to be implemented efficiently by the team of designers and engineers to get the most out of it. This means using all of the best practices that simplify the design to manufacture process and maximize the investment in both time and money. Customers require our CAD management services because the software must work across systems and users to achieve the return on investment. This often falls upon one of their users to look after it. However, amongst all of the other day-to-day jobs, the software can sometimes be forgotten about. This is then left in the hands of multiple users, each with their own ideas on how to use it and also when to upgrade it. Solid Solutions effectively offers the services of our highly trained application engineers to handle jobs that go beyond just the installation and rollout of the software. Their capabilities can be used to review your design process and assist with internal staff development. We've developed a range of services that can be defined as our 4 pillars of CAD management. Each service within each pillar is assigned a credit value, and this allows us to tailor the program for each customer's needs year on year. Quick Starts are the quickest way for you to get up and running with your new software, or a great way for a new colleague to get up to speed with SolidWorks. We can set up your system, standardize file locations and templates, check the hardware, and we can offer you industry-related tutorials to get you up to speed as quickly as possible. We help out with the administration side of operating your CAD system, so although you may be experienced using SolidWorks, you may not be very familiar with the setup behind the scenes. We match our most suitable engineers to carry out your Quick Start, regardless of which product you have. Quick Starts are available for the whole product range, from 3D CAD to PDM, inspection to electrical. The team development services look at how best to develop the team as a whole. These services focus on best practices and impart knowledge beyond the standard training syllabus. Are the teams struggling with large assemblies and losing productivity? Have they missed releases of the software? Or would they like to see our ever popular tips and tricks session to improve their day-to-day workflows? We also offer a service to effectively train a user within your business to become the CAD administrator. And this means you can look after future rollouts and team development internally. The business development and review services aim to review the current team or design processes to allow us to understand your company and where things are working well and where development is required. This may come down to staff development and training, or small changes to the design processes that often have a big impact on productivity and efficiency. By working with our customers and listening carefully as to how they carry out their day-to-day work, our engineers are experienced across many industries and can often take a fresh look at what you do and find inefficiencies slowing down the whole process. We find 70% of the potential delays to the design time come from how the software is set up and implemented. Our maintenance services allow our customers to outsource their upgrades of the software year on year to our team of experienced engineers to get in, arrange the prerequisites, and mitigate the downtime of their engineers. We often find our customers also use the downtime to access some of our other services to upskill the team. For more information about our CAD management program, please discuss things with your account manager. They'll take you through our list of services and develop a program that is tailored for your business. Once signed up to the program, the customer development managers will contact you to schedule the delivery of the credits and then be on hand for any questions you may have during the process. Typically, we see our customers requiring a number of credits that invest their trust in Solid Solutions to look after all of their team, business, and software needs year on year. We like to think our services are part of a long-term relationship with our customers so they get the most out of their software and business investment.